slide 10. We are on page 10, Roman numeral 2, letters C, D, E, and F. All this information is going to be on slides 10 and 11, so when you hear me talking about the yin and the yang on the video, go ahead and go to the next slide, slide 11. But this will be the video for both slide 10 and slide 11. Hopefully that doesn't confuse you. Letter C. By emphasizing harmony with nature, Daoists deeply influenced the Chinese arts. So a lot of the things that were going on in China in regards to literature and artwork were emphasized by Daoists. What I'd like for you to do is I'd like for you to Google China or Chinese art, and I'd like for you to write down 3 examples of it. You can do that right over here. Just number it 1, 2, and 3. And when you find an example of artwork or architecture, literature, whatever it is, there will be some kind of title for it, and that's all I'm looking for. Just kind of look at it and then write that the name down on page 10. Also, don't forget, whenever I ask you to do something, to pause it. So you should have this paused while you're looking that up. Then you can come back and complete the rest. All right, letter D. Confucianism provided the pattern for government in one's place in the social order, and Daoism emphasized harmony within the individual attuned to nature. Now you go ahead, go to the next slide, slide 11. Don't worry about that last bullet there. Let's go ahead and talk about the yin and the yang. The concept of the yin and the yang held that the 2 opposing forces are present in all nature. So there's a lot of different examples with that. Good, bad, wet, dry. I mean, you can come up with 100 of them, but that's basically the idea behind the yin and the yang. It helped the Chinese reconcile seeming opposites, like the Daoist simplicity and then that of the Confucian formalists. So that's all about the yin and the yang. What I'd like for you to do is right now go ahead and Google or look up a yin and a yang sign, and on page 12 I want you to go ahead and draw that. So right here, draw the yin and the yang. Again, pause it, get that done, and then come back. And so that's pretty much it for Daoism. We're going to move on to Buddhism and slide 12. So, and then we're almost done. Don't get all excited. Once you get all that done, go ahead and go to the next slide.